Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope all of you guys are doing well. In this lesson, we will learn how to say I have, you have, he has, she has in Arabic. And we will also learn how to say how many in Arabic. So without further ado, let's get started. So in Arabic, there are two ways to say I have, you have. The first method is to use عندٌ. عندٌ. So what you do is you use عندٌ with a pronoun, like here you see it is عندي, which means I have. Here the last ya is used for I. عندي means I have. عندك, عندك means you have. عنده or عنده means he has. And similarly you can say عندها, she has, and عندهم, they have, and عندكم, you all have, and so on and so forth. The other way to do this is to use the word lam, the alphabet lam, la or le. Here similarly you have to use lam with a pronoun. So I have, you can say li, I have. Lak, you have. We will use this in the sentences below and practice it. Okay, the second thing that we are going to learn in this lesson is how to say how many. Now, to do this, you will have to use the word kam. Kaf, mim, kam, which means how many. And you have to use with how many, not the plural noun, as in English. In English, we use plural noun. In Arabic, we use the singular form of the noun. Like you see, talibun means a student. It is the singular form of the noun. It's not a plural. So when you combine these two words, come with the noun for which you're using it, like talibun, it becomes kam taliban. So as you can clearly see, kam will give fatha to the noun. Okay? So if there is tanween, the noun will have double fathas, or if there is no tanween and it is a singular haraka, then it will have single fatha. So kam and talibun becomes kam taliban, how many students. We will now read these examples and learn how they are used. Al-mudarris, kam akhan lak ya Muhammad. Kam akhan, how many brothers. You see, akhan is from akhun and it is a singular noun. Kam akhan, how many brothers. Lak, you have, ya Muhammad, O Muhammad. Muhammad, li akhun wahid. Li, I have, akhun wahid, one brother. Al-mudarris, wa kam ukhtan lak. Wa kam, and how many. Ukhtan, sisters. Lak, you have. Muhammad, li ukhtan, I have two sisters. المدرس كم عجلة للدراجة يا حامد. How many wheels. كم عجلة, how many wheels. للدراجة, does a bicycle have. يا حامد, or حامد. حامد, لها عجلتان. لها, it has. عجلتان, two wheels. المدرس كم عيدا في السنة يا زكريا. كم عيدا, how many Eids are في السنة, in the year. يا زكريا, O زكريا. زكريا, في السنة عيدان, in the year or in a year. عيدان, there are two Eids. هما, they are عيد الفطر and عيد الأضحى. عيد الأضحى. المدرس يا إبراهيم أبوك تاجر كبير. O Ibrahim, أبوك, your father, is تاجر كبير, a big businessman. كم سيارة. كم سيارة, how many cars. عنده, does he have, how many car he has. So as you can see here, we can also use here lahu, but we can also use عنده. So it's the same thing. Abuka tajirun kabir, your father is a big businessman. كم سيارة عنده? How many cars does he have? Does he own? إبراهيم عنده سيارتان كبيرتان وسيارتان صغيرتان. عنده, he has, سيارتان كبيرتان, two big cars, وسيارتان and two cars, صغيرتان, small. Two big cars and two small cars. As you can see here in this drawing, there are two big cars and two small cars. المدرس كم نافذة في غرفتك يا إسماعيل? Teacher, كم نافذة? How many windows are في غرفتك in your room يا إسماعيل or إسماعيل? إسماعيل فيها, it has نافذتان, two windows, or there are in my room نافذتان, two windows. المدرس, the teacher, لمن هذان الدفتران? Whose notebooks are these? لمن, for whom. It literally means for whom, but you can translate it as whose. لمن, whose, هذان الدفتران, هذان الدفتران, whose notebooks are these two? علي, Ali. هما لي, these are mine. لي are mine, these are mine. المدرس, the teacher, لمن هاتان المسطرتان? Whose these two rulers are? Who do these two rulers belong to? Yunus, هما لي, these are mine, these belong to me. Now let's look at this exercise and learn a little bit more. كم قلما عندك? كم قلما, how many pens? عندك, do you have? كم كتابا, how many books? عندك, do you have? كم سبورة في فصلكم? How many blackboards are in your classroom? كم ريالا عندك الآن يا ليلى? كم ريالا, how many riyals? عندك, do you have? الآن, now, يا ليلى or ليلى. In this manner, you can read all the remaining sentences and try to practice what you have just learned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you inshallah in the next lesson.